Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. It's Rog here once again, and today I'm going to be cooking a very simple samosa. A very easy recipe, and it's not going to be deep fried, it's going to be cooked in the oven so it's more healthy. I'm going to start with the ingredients. I've got about half a pound of mince or ground beef, some frozen peas, one large carrot. I'm going to need some of this stuff, some curry powder. I'm using a medium curry powder. And of course we need some phyllo pastry to wrap them in. We're going to need some onion. I've got one whole white chopped onion, some tomato paste, a little bit of water and some melted butter. So in a pan I'm going to put the beef. I'm going to cook this down a little bit and get all the pinkness removed, and after that we're going to add the onions. So we put all of those into our pan. Then we're going to go in with the carrots. I've chopped them quite small. And then we're going to go in with our frozen peas. They're still a little bit icy, but that's fine. Just put those in. Add the tomato paste. I'm going to use about 2 tablespoonfuls. And there's a curry powder, 1 heaped teaspoonful. That'd be fine. You can add a little bit of chilli as well if you want to put a little bit of a kick to it. And of course we need a splash of water to keep it nice and liquid. So in that goes. Put the lid on and we're going to let this simmer for about 15 or 20 minutes until it looks like this, cooked right through, and we put that aside to cool. There's our phyllo pastry. I've got 2 sheets of it put together and our melted butter, or you can use ghee if you wish. We're going to paint this over with the butter. This helps it stick together and also gives it a nice crispy finish, which is what we're looking for. Then on we go with our meaty mixture. You only want about a teaspoonful, that's all. Very economical dish. Then we're going to fold this, corner to the straight edge, corner to the straight edge, corner to the straight edge. Then I'm going to use some of this stuff. This is just a flour and water paste, and it's going to help it all stick together and stay a neat little parcel. We'll wrap this last piece over, turn it around over the corner and let it stick together. Cover this in melted butter. Now we want to make sure this is covered properly, and we're going to do it on both sides. Flip it over. Then I'm going to do this side too. Then it's going to be off to the oven. Gas mark 6 for 20 minutes. Then you end up with this. Now don't they look lovely? Crispy, crunchy, beautiful filling. Of course you can use any other filling if you want, filling of your choice. Thanks for watching, please subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye for now.